I buy one watermelon. So now the watermelon. Watch out. Well, in it rotten. Well, in the watermelon rotten. Look at the poto. Look at the poto. Right? We come home now, so now go enjoy the watermelon. The whole inside of the melon rotten. And how much we pay for that melon here? €4. Which is almost 1,000 Jamaican dollars. I'm going to carry right back up there. As a matter of fact, it's about 2,700 Jamaican dollars when I did the maths. And the seed, look at the seed them. Seed them look like them seed that can't even grow again. Them seed they retire. So I'm going to bring it back to the store. The woman, she is not a very nice woman. She's a manager up at that place here. She's very rude. But I'm going to make sure them change the watermelon today.